When I first came to Laser Pain Care, I would say I had mostly an 8 and a 9 level of pain, and that had been going on for 5-7 years. I have had 4 surgeries, 1 on each foot and 1 on each knee, all to no avail. Same pain, maybe even worse some days. With my feet, I was diagnosed with a plantar fasciitis, so I had the surgery where they go in and cut. And I can still feel, because they just cut and they leave that thing flapping in there, and it didn't help. And with the knees, meniscus problems, you know, arthritis. It was arthroscopic, so at least it wasn't knee replacement. But it really, I was in terrific pain after, and physical therapy helped somewhat, but was not the cure. I was not able to live my life the way I wanted. I am 64 years old. I didn't feel old except for the pain. My brain still wanted to do things that my body would not cooperate with. And this really was the choice of last resort. I was at my wit's end. Nothing had worked. Now that my treatment is completed, I feel amazing. The good feeling started to happen right in the beginning. I had a few setbacks, which they said was normal, and now I'm biking and walking and doing things that I couldn't do before. I have already had friends and family that are amazed when they see the difference in me, and today, again, I'm taking literature for more people because everybody wants to know how this happened and can I do it too. The one word that I would use to describe what I've gotten out of Laser Pain Care is absolute amazing. I'm just so much better. I have like a negative 0.25 pain level occasionally. It's just wonderful.